beam. Application of DC shunt motor conveyor. The conveyor system is a common piece of mechanical handling equipment that moves material from one location to another. Conveyors are especially useful in application involving the transport of heavy or bulk material. Conveyor systems allow quick and efficient transport for a wide variety of materials, which make them very popular in the material handling and packaging. Mm, and then we are going to see about the DC motor. A DC motor is any of class of rotatory electrical motors that convert direct current electrical energy into mechanical energy. The most common type rely on the forces produced by magnetic fields nearby. All types of DC motors have some internal mechanism, either electromechanical or electronic, to periodically change the direction of current in part of the motor. Working of a brushed electric motor with a two-pole rotor, armature and permanent magnet status. N and S designate polarities on the index axis faces of the magnet. The outside faces have two opposite polarities. The plus and minus sign shows where the DC current is applied to the commutator, which supplies current to the main. DC motors were the first form of motors widely used, as they could be powered from existing direct current lightning power distributing system. A motor speed can be controlled over a wide range using either a variable supply voltage or by changing the strength of current in its field windings. Small DC motors are used in toys, tools and application. The universal motor can operate on direct current but is a lightweight brushed motor used for portable power tools and appliances. Large DC motors are currently used in polarization of vehicles, escalator and hoist, and in drives for steel rolling mills. The advent of power electronics has made replacement of DC motors with AC motors possible in many applications. Magnetic motors. A coil of wire with a current running through it generates an electromagnetic field aligned with the center of the coil. The direction and magnitude of the magnetic field produced by the coil can be changed into direction and magnitude of the current flowing through it.